Hey guys, welcome. Technical Builder here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about one of the coolest trick or coolest feature added in your device by iOS 15. This feature is completely new and separate from all the application. So now if you go to setting application, scroll down until you find accessibility. Open that and here scroll down till the last option. Okay, open this. Once you open this, scroll down till the last and something new is there, that is per app setting. So now what is per app setting? Let's see. Open this feature, tap on that, and once you open it, there is simple UI, right? Something called as add app and add it. First of all, let's clear the application. Okay, come back to 0. If you see, completely blank. So now let's add the application and see further. If you see here, there are all the application from your iOS device. So you can choose any application. For example, let's choose Safari as of now. Now comes the main step, that is opening Safari, and once you open that, here are multiple options or multiple customizing option available for you. If you see here, these all options like your smart invert, reduce motion, bold text, these are all available in your setting app as well, but here these are available or made available for individual application, so you can customize your individual application as per your choice. Just for demo, let's make bold text. Similarly, button shapes, okay, make it on. Once you do that, if you see here, there are other features, right, like turn on labels or you increase contrast, okay, color differentiation or smart invert, but leave that and let's try smart invert. Make it on. Similarly, there are other features available, but leave them now. Now go back to your Safari. Once you do that, open Safari. If you see, there is a smart invert color and your text is bold in Safari browser. So guys, if you see here, all the applications are same, just only one specific application is customized. So if you see, only Safari is customized with your bold text and smart invert color, and remaining applications are completely same. So if you see here, you can choose specific application, okay, customize it by given options. And now if you see here, if you disable specific feature or option from settings, it will automatically disable in Safari browser as well. So guys, it will work all the application on your device, like your inbuilt application as well as your third-party application. So now if you see here, I tried doing it on message application, that is the inbuilt application, and now if you see here, I have increased contrast, okay, and smart invert. So if you see, there is a bold text on keyboard as well as your high contrast in colors. So similarly, you can try any application and enjoy the customization. Now comes the question that how to disable this or how to make it stop if you don't want to continue this. So there are multiple methods or simple way, that is you can disable the feature which you don't like or you want to stop, or you can completely remove the application from the menu itself. So now if you go back to main page, okay, here click on edit and just delete the application. It will remove all the customization at once from the application. So guys, that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe for more awesome videos. Thank you.